Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make your own high quality Izal disinfectant right from scratch. This is not just any method. This is a practical commercial style formulation using the right ingredients and proper techniques to give you that strong, effective germ killing result. But before we begin, safety first. Always wear your nose mask, gloves, and goggles when handling chemicals. Your safety is not optional, it is essential. I begin by adding 100 grams of Texapon into my mixing bowl. Now, very important, make sure you are using commercial grade Texapon, not the local or homemade version. Why? Because the quality of your Texapon directly affects the texture, solubility, and final performance of your Izal. Next, I add 100 ml of Phenol, 100 ml of pine oil. These are the core disinfecting agents responsible for that strong antiseptic power and characteristics Izal smell. Now begin stirring. And this part requires patience. Texapon does not dissolve instantly in this mixture. You must stir continuously until it dissolves completely into the phenol and pine oil. This can take some time, but don't rush it. If you don't dissolve it properly at this stage, your final product may separate or not come out smooth. Remember, patience is the key to quality. Once the Texapon has fully dissolved and everything looks smooth, I now add 100 ml of Lysol. This boosts the disinfectant strength and improves the overall formulation. Stir thoroughly until everything is well combined. In a separate container, I add 100 ml of Carbolic Acid to 150 ml of water. Then I stir it properly until it is fully mixed. Now, you might notice my Carbolic Acid looks slightly different in color. That is because I accidentally added a small amount of water to it earlier, but that's okay. Once properly mixed, I add this solution into the main mixture and stir very well. Next, I add 200 ml of Izal booster. This ingredient helps to enhance the disinfectant power, improves stability, and gives that professional finish. Stir thoroughly to combine. Now, I add 1 liter of water into the mixture. Stir properly to dilute and blend everything evenly. In another container, I add 200 grams of whitener or thickener to 300 ml of water. Then I stir until it dissolves completely. No lumps, no shortcut. Make sure it is smooth. Once fully dissolved, I pour it into the main mixture and stir until fully incorporated. Now, I add the remaining water to complete the formulation. The total water used in this entire process is 4 liters. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a uniform solution. At this point, your Izal is almost ready. Now cover the mixture and allow it to rest for 24 hours. This resting period allows proper blending of all ingredients, stabilization of the formulation, improves final texture and effectiveness. After 24 hours, your Izal disinfectant is now fully ready. And just like that, you now have your own homemade, commercial standard Izal disinfectant. And that is how you make a powerful Izal disinfectant from scratch. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop your question in the comments, and subscribe to more practical DIY formulations. See you in the next one.